Hello friends, today we are going to see how to take a matrix multiplication of the two matrices. For a matrix multiplication, suppose if we consider the matrix A of order n by n and matrix B of order n by p, then first to take a multiplication of these two matrices, the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. If these two are equal, then only we can take the matrix multiplication of these two matrices. And suppose the C is the resultant matrix of A and B, then the order of the matrix C is m by p. Is the order of the resultant matrix. Now let us take one example. Suppose A is a matrix of order 2 by 3. Let us consider 2, 3, minus 1, 4, 1, 2. So this is the matrix of order 2 by 3. And another matrix B, 4, 3, minus 2, 1, minus 1, 3, 0, 5, and 2. So this is another matrix of order 3 by 3. Now, as I told you, for a matrix multiplication, the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So that's why we can take a matrix multiplication A into B in that sequence. So let us see how to take a matrix multiplication A into B. So for a matrix multiplication, we have to take a matrix multiplication row by column. That means we have to consider the rows of the first matrix and columns of the second matrix. So how to perform the matrix multiplication? So take the first row of the first matrix and the first column of the second matrix. So as you can see, there are the number of elements in the first row and the number of elements in the first column are always same, equal. So we are multiplying the corresponding element of that row and column and sum of that multiplication. See how it is. Multiply the first element with the first element of the second matrix. So 2 4s are 8. 3 1s are 3. So it is plus 3. Minus 1 zeros are 0. So it is 0. Then take the second column of the second matrix. So the multiplication is first row, second column. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. And minus 1 into 5, it is minus 5. Then take the third column of the second matrix, keeping the first row as it is. So 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 3 into 3, 9. And minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Now all columns of the second matrix are finished. Now we are taking the second row of the first matrix and repeat the columns one by one of the second matrix. So second row, first column. 4 into 4, 16. 1 into 1, 1. And 2 into 0, 0. Then second row, second column. 4 into 3, 12. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. And 2 into 5, 10. Now third column. Second row, third column. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. 1 into 3, 3. And 2 into 2, 4. Now let's take the sum of all these elements. So this is equal to 8 plus 3, 11 plus 0. So 11, 6 minus 3, 3, 3 minus 5, minus 2. And minus 4 plus 9, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 16 plus 1, 17. Plus 0, 17. 12 minus 1, 11. Plus 10, 21. And minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. Plus 4 minus 1. So this is the multiplication of matrix A into B. And as you can see, the order of the resultant matrix is 2 by 3, which is equal to this one. Thank you.